Hello friends, today we'll discuss the carotid sheath contents. The contents of the carotid sheath. As you know, what is a carotid sheath? The carotid sheath is a fibroareolar condensation around the main vessels of the neck. Carotid sheath is defined as the fibroareolar condensation around the main vessels of the neck. The contents of the carotid sheath are: first is the common carotid artery and the internal carotid artery. As you know, common carotid artery bifurcates into two. One is the internal carotid artery and other is the external carotid artery. External is outside the carotid sheath. Below the point of bifurcation, the artery is known as the common carotid artery, and when the artery bifurcates, it is known as the internal carotid artery and the external carotid artery. So both the arteries below the point of bifurcation, it is known as the common carotid artery, and above the bifurcation, it is known as the internal carotid artery, and external remains outside. तो इसके अंदर जो कंटेंट्स हैं, दैट इज फर्स्ट इज द कॉमन कैरोटिड आर्टरी एंड द इंटरनल कैरोटिड आर्टरी. द सेकंड कंटेंट इज द वेगस नर्व विच इज योर 10th cranial nerve, and the third one is the internal jugular vein. So the contents of the carotid sheath are common carotid artery, internal carotid artery, vagus nerve, and the internal jugular vein. So these are the contents of the carotid sheath. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.